Michael Duoba. I work at Argonne National Laboratory in the area of testing and analysis of advanced vehicles. I first got involved in advanced vehicle technology competitions in 1991 for the Natural Gas Vehicle Challenge. I was at the Illinois Institute of Technology. I was a mechanical engineering student, and I was like the co-lead of the Natural Gas Vehicle Challenge entry. I was hired on to be an organizer in '93. I went from a student to an organizer, and then from that point was always involved. By the time 1996 rolled around, we had a new competition series called Future Car Challenge. And I became the lead technical rules writer and kind of developed a scoring strategy that allowed the teams to score relative weights without them being too bunched up or too spread out. For my personal experience, because every year we tested these cars at a different dynamometer laboratory, I got to experience exactly how the tests were run at so many different dyno facilities, like a dozen at least, between industry and academia and government. Probably no one else had been in that many labs and saw how those tests were run so often. So I became quickly an expert in this area, and that allowed us to do the work at Argonne, which we do now. We have our own dyno facilities now, and a lot of that's based on early learnings in the competitions. Advanced vehicle technology competitions are extremely important for finding and cultivating leaders in the automotive industry, and that they get experience in electrified vehicles and future powertrains, so that when they get recruited out into the real world, they can hit the ground running. And usually those are the leaders we see a decade later that are running the show because they had an early start and they really understand what's going on in the technology.